Hi everybody, welcome again to SDVoE Presents Face-to-Face AV with Justin Kennington. That's me, your host. I'm joined today by Charlie Mertz, who is head of AV for Wesco Annixter. Today we're going to focus on some of the products from Liberty.
Yep, absolutely.
Charlie, tell us about, you've got an SDVoE transceiver.
Yep.
We've even brought it here, little show and tell. But what I wanted to focus on is the software that you guys have built around your SDVoE products. Tell me what that's called and what it's about.
So the software is called Arranger. It runs on a little Nook PC. It's a Debian Linux distribution, so super stable. It interfaces as the controller, as a AV over IP controller, but adds a lot more functionality. So we like to use three buzzwords. One, build, so we're building the AV over IP system.
Okay.
Configure, so we're configuring video walls, we're configuring multi-view. We're allowing the transceiver to input multi-view into a video wall. So we're, all those kinds of things are really, really cool. That's really cool. Great fun to do.
And like you've incepted SDVoE, right?
Absolutely. But the third option is control. So we have an aspect in the software that allows us to create multiple UIs based on HTTP. So anything that displays a web page, a tablet, Android, a phone, we can place buttons with inbuilt graphics, or an integrator can use their own graphics, make it look pretty. And because everything with SDVoE is event-based, we can take those events, create a preset, and then assign those presets to buttons, assign it to a QR code, go deep down into the kind of IT world, so user permissions, network activity, bandwidth, that kind of stuff, all that reporting, it's all an event. So we can create our own UIs based on those. I'm
just thinking through what you just said about creating a QR code. And I think I understand what you mean, and I think it's really cool. You mean the Arranger software, I'm gonna set up a preset, right? Turn on the television, select my third encoder and put it on the TV, or configure a multi-view, whatever. I can create a unique QR for that setup.
For that,
I can print it out, stick it on the wall, and then when I walk in the room and point my phone at that QR code, it will activate that preset.
Absolutely.
So I can skip having a touch panel things, because now the preset becomes, let's start the meeting, right? Let's turn on the Zoom PC on the wall, or whatever it is.
Quite literally, because of the amount of events that are driven by the SDVoE system in here, anything is possible. It's just your imagination.
I never thought of using QR for control like that. Maybe I'm stupid and all of you thought of this before, but that's cool.
It's fabulous. And then we often get asked, well, okay, are you trying to take on third-party control systems? No, which is allowing integrators.
Careful, don't say the C word on the show.
No, I won't. We're allowing integrators easy access to no programming required, right? So get everything up and running. And if you want to add a control system in at a later date, you can. There isn't actually a module created for those popular control systems right now.
Just so you know, SDVoE provides one. If your customers are interested in it, we'll work with anything on our API.
Another aspect of the software, we've actually, the software allows you easy access to the API. So instead of running through reams and reams and reams of generic device names in parentheses and compiling a system and one spelling mistake and it's wrong.
In fairness, the API developer manual is only 400 pages. I'm not sure why you think that could be.
What we can do is actually, on a live system, pick an encoder or pick a transceiver, do a join, send that to one of the display decoders, send that or create that command via a wizard we created, and it actually fills all those parentheses in, gives you the string. You can then copy and paste that into your third-party control system. So when you do hit that compile button, and it says compile error, it's not this.
Okay, good. That's fantastic. Also, I didn't expect, Charlie and I have only just met, and I just knew that he's a sales guy, and he's slinging around like API commands, like, you're into this stuff.
I'm a geek, I'm a techie.
You're ready to really talk about this and get this stuff going. I appreciate that.
So over on the stand, on the Liberty stand, it's pretty much all I've been doing.
Oh yeah?
AV over IP demo, but I love doing it, it's great.
Perfect.
Yeah.
What kind of traction have you guys had in the market so far?
Oh, amazing. So we first introduced this at Infocom.
Right.
And the fact that the...
So as we sit here, that's it's February 23, so this was last June, 7 months ago.
7 months ago.
Okay.
We've basically grabbed everybody who... Well, we've got a lot of stock of this. We invested a lot in inventory, saw the troubles coming. So Wesco and Exeter took that opportunity to invest in Liberty and stock inventory.
Well, and what a company to have Liberty a part of in terms of understanding supply chain and delivering, distributing an AV.
It's the best, right?
Yeah.
And it's just going to get better and better and better. But yeah, because of the supply chain issues with other parts of the industry, we found that through our global integration marketplace and our partners, our distribution partners around the world, they're coming to us and saying, do you have stock? We need something right now. Yes, we have stock. And then they understand a bit more about Arranger and what it can do, and then it blows their mind, right? Absolutely blows their mind.
Yeah.
The US is killing it right now. Europe's following close by, and Asia, India doing amazing things, Latin America doing amazing things, some incredible customers. And hopefully we'll see some great case studies coming out in the coming months.
Oh, awesome. I look forward to those.
Yeah.
And this is a story I've been hearing all week,
Yeah.
Once people are finally shaken awake from doing what they've always done,
Yeah.
which is easy to do. That's nobody's fault. I want to keep doing everything I've always done too. But once they're forced to look around and make a change, they see SDVoE, they start to really understand what this platform and these products can do, and they go, wow, I should have done this 3 years ago. I was trying to tell you.
I remember those days, back in Amsterdam. Look
got
at me.
It's really good. Awesome. Charlie, this was great. Thank you for the chat. It's so nice to meet you.
It's great to see you, Justin.
All of you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. And thank you for watching Face to Face AV.